Your hopper will come in the compressed position. It'll be tied down and all of the necessary parts will be in the box. These are the parts you'll find in the box with the hopper. Let's unbox it. This is a throw plate. They come with an 8, 10, or 12-inch radius. For 13-inch augers, we don't use a throw plate at all. Let's install it. Once you have your hopper ready to install, you'll have to loosen 2 carriage bolts on our adjustment plate on this end. Once you've done that, also undo the strap that makes it ready for installing. You'll want to make sure the ratchet strap is nice and snug so that the hopper doesn't slide down the auger. The next step is to tighten these 2 carriage bolts. You'll want to lift so that way your auger is all the way at the bottom of the hopper. If you have a different brand of auger, we have a universal attachment that can bolt onto the cage of the auger. We also have a branch attachment that is a simple half turn. On the Neeralta auger, we have a square receiver. If you have a round receiver, we have a round adjustment plate that will match either a 2.5 inch or a 2 3/4 inch round receiver. The next step is installing the aluminum flat bar in the top edge of the canvas. This next step may take 2 people, and it's easiest done with a punch. If you line up your first bolt, then put your punch through the round hole, it's a lot easier to line up your second bolt. The aluminum flat bar came with 1 more bolt in the middle. Once you have the flat bar installed, you simply find the hole in the aluminum and drill through your canvas. Run the bolt through the loop in the cable with a washer on either side and run it through the hole in this flat bar. Also in the box is a length of protective edging. Simply slide it over top of the flat bar on the bottom side. The last step is to cut the zip tie on the handle and install it. Once you've finished installing your handle, your hopper's ready to use.